Director John Bell reminded us in his speech that this is actually the week of COP21. We heard some very promising statements during Monday and Tuesday, and now the parties will be sitting and working for 2 days, and we are all looking forward to hear good news from Paris. Dr. BeritHasler of Aarhus University, you argue in your project that actually we need to achieve a coherence among climate policy, agricultural policy, and maybe some other policies, certainly environmental policy, to go forward with solving the problems of the Baltic Sea.
Yes, thank you. As Marco Ollikainen mentioned in the video before, costs matters. So yes, the answer, we need coherence among climate, environmental and agricultural policies, because that will save costs for societies and all the countries around the Baltic. And it will also improve the environmental impact, both on the climate and the environment, and also improve the income for the farmers. So yes, coherence is important. That's the short answer. So in GO4BALTIC, we address these issues by cooperation between economists, political scientists, and natural scientists. And that integration is very important to answer these questions. So what we focus on is agriculture and farm structures and farmers' decisions. So if you look at this figure here, we look at the agricultural policies are very important for farmers' decisions. The subsidies given to the farmers and also the requirements given to them. But that's also the case for the nutrient policies. The Water Framework Directive, for instance, and the Baltic Sea Action Plan, which requires actions from the farmers. That influences their decisions. Future climate policies, which could be directed towards the agriculture as well, that's also important. And that's changed the land use across all the catchments in the Baltic Sea region. So that's important for the environment, both for the climate and for the water environment. But all these policies, they don't always work together. They can create both conflicts because they don't have the same aim, but they can also create synergies between them if they are thought together. So what we address in GO4BALTIC is how we can achieve these synergies between the different policies and then provide better income from farmers, but at the same time environmental outcomes for climate and for the water environment, which is better. So this is what we work for, but we don't know at the moment how to achieve these synergies, so that's the question mark in the middle. Thank you. And then, so coherence and synergies can give agriculture multiple improvements and also technological improvements, but it can also give the conflicts. So what we will do is to disseminate these results in a guideline in a socio-economic Baltic Sea Action Plan, and that's what we will end up with in a GO4BALTIC, and that will be helpful for you stakeholders, we hope.